NIO announced that there is a chip shortage and it will be closing its factory for 5 days starting March 29th. And there is going to be an implication of it in terms of the number of cars sold in March. And that's the topic of today. My name is Vikas Shukla, and I have been covering the NIO stock for quite some time and other general topics of the stock market. So what it means that the chip shortage is a general phenomena that's affecting a lot of industries, and we are seeing a delays of as high as 3 months in many cases. But it's a short-term thing which is caused by, I think it's a sudden surge in the demand due to COVID-19, and some of the supplies are not able to come up to the mark. So in any case, it should not go more than 3 months, because the supplies are picking up and then demands are naturalizing. So in terms of what we are going to this is, by the way, the NIO stock is down from around like about 40s to currently as $36. It went down as low as $34 and even lower slightly than that. And at this price, it has a market capitalization, and instead of this current stock price, I usually refer to this figure, which is the total market capitalization of NIO, which is more meaningful because you can relate it this number with the sales figure or the profit number. So let's take a look at, before we do that, what were the sales figure in the last 3 months. In January, it announced 7,225. In February, it went down because there are fewer number of days in February, and also because there are um, there is a holiday season or new Chinese New Year holidays coming up, and that reduced the number of vehicles sold. In the earlier announcements, NIO said that during these 3 months, it will deliver close to 20 to 25, 20,500 cars in those 3 months. But now with those chip shortage and everything, it announced that they will now be able to deliver only 19,500. And let's see what that means to the car delivery number for March. And if you calculate these things, and assuming that because it has a very close number, we expect this number to be very close or slightly more than 19,500. Then if you take these three numbers into account, that gives a March number to 6,984, which is slightly less than January, and therefore it's not too bad. I mean, I would have been happy if it were close to 20,000, which would have means that March numbers were better than January, so we see a growing trajectory. But these March numbers now at 6984 does not look that bad. But as we know that the stock market amplifies whatever gain and loss, and therefore we see that the stocks are down from somewhere around 50 month or month and a half ago to it. The stock market actually started declining with the February results, and we still see that acceleration because we are not to the reverse growth strategy trajectory. What we can expect is that once we have March numbers, then we have April number, and those are also probably going to be down because the chip shortage, if that is true, is going to continue, because from March 29th, some of the days are going into April, and April numbers are going to be a little down, hopefully not too bad. And then if hopefully by around May or something, the chip shortage things get sorted out, and if we can start seeing the numbers above 7,500 from May onwards, then probably the stock can start picking up from there. So this is my close assessment, and I still think that NIO should be able to get close to 100,000, and that number comes from like 8,000 per month. Let's see, in the coming months we will pick up 8,000 and more numbers, and then if you multiply it by 12, we get 84,000. And if it gets, and approximately we approximate it to 100,000 per year, and multiply that number with 50,000 per vehicle, that gives to 5,000 millions or $5 billion of revenue. And then if you multiply this number by $10, and that is the 10 multiplication I'm using, because it's still a growing market. It's a year to year growth should still be there for many years to come. And if you take that into account, I believe that $50 of the capitalization should be a reasonable value for that, which means that this between $30 to $35 should be a close to a reasonable price to pay to acquire this stock. But anything below 30 or 25, and don't assume that the prices will not grow below 30 or even 20 or 25. At that point of time, probably it's time to add more of the stock. So that is my opinion about the NIO. If you like it, subscribe this thing. I keep talking about the NIO more often. You will know when I next post for NIO or other general stocks on some of the other stocks. Thanks for taking a look.